Opposition BJP, JDS upping the ante against Karnataka's Siddaramaiah government here. The opposition leaders from both the BJP and the JDS combined began the Padyatra to mount pressure on Siddaramaiah government amid back-to-back scam allegations, including a scam in Muda and the Valmiki Corporation scam. The Padyatra began in Bengaluru today and will be covering this entire week. The areas would be Ramnagar, Mandya and Mysuru. BJP has slammed Congress of failing to give a corruption-free government in Karnataka, they say, and accused the state government of looting Scheduled Tribes Development Fund. BJP Karnataka Chief B.Y. Vijendra also accused the Chief Minister of being the main beneficiary of the Muda scam. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar hit out at the BJP asking what they had done in their tenure and called the former BJP government the most scandalous the state had ever seen. DK has also said that the Padyatra was being done over a non-issue. The opposition in Karnataka launched a 10-day Mysuru Chalo Padyatra against alleged corruption in the Muda scam and Valmiki corruption scam. BJP says the Congress government has been involved in corruption ever since it came to power.
Joining me now is the JDS and BJP leaders. They're showing. They're walking here, taking up the Mysore Chalo Padayatra. There is Vijendra as well as Nikhil Kumaraswamy walking towards Mysuru. They have kickstarted their campaign against the Chief Minister and the Congress party. What they're saying is the Muda scam has happened and seeking the resignation of the Chief Minister. And let me try getting out of this whole chaos because there is a stampede-like situation at this point of time here. There's Karyakartas of the BJP as well as the JDS. Now you saw the Padyatra take over from the outskirts of Bengaluru, that's the Mysore road, and will go ahead towards Mysore. Every day 20 kilometers, that's the pace that the BJP and JDS leaders would take up. And finally, it would culminate on the August of the 10th in Mysore with a huge rally is what the plan is as of now. There's a huge traffic jam on the other side as well. Roads have been blocked and the Padyatra has been officially kick-started by the NDA. Nagarjuna Dwarkanath for India Today. Sir, today you have taken up the Mysore Chalo Padyatra against the Chief Minister. He's saying
not only Chief Minister, about the government.
He says that he's willing to give the sites back.
Now it is too late. Why in the beginning itself this decision is not taken? He knows everything. From 1992, what is the development about those incident? He knows everything day to day. On his instruction only, several officers they illegally clear the file. That is the problem.
So they are saying that he'll investigate JDS and BJP scams also.
Everybody's who are the leaders are JDS or BJP or Congress. All issue they can free to investigate.
So, and also you're a part of the
now because he is in the actually he is the main culprit there. He is culprit now. How he has a moral right now to announce the inquiry.
Sir, and also he says central government is using Raj Bhavan to trouble him.
Why they are using governor according to the constitution? He has taken his power. He is implementing it.
Sir, you seek his resignation, Chief Minister's resignation, sir?
This is the issue of severe illegal activities. For that, actually, morally, he has to accept it.
Thank you so much, sir. Joining me now is BJP legislator, Mr. Bharat Shetty. Sir, today you are doing a Padyatra. This is your inaugural function. The CM is already saying that judicial probe is on. This is not valid today.
See, the CM had all the chances for a debate in the assembly. They abstained from the debate. They didn't let us talk about it in the assembly. And even he didn't talk anything about it. He didn't give an explanation about this. The CM and his family members are involved in this. Then on the prima facie, it looks like a big scam. So we don't have no other option left but do a Padayatra and let the people come to know what kind of scams are going on in the state.